Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the restore proceeds smoothly. Make sure the iPhone is paired, updated, and on the same Wi-Fi network as the watch. Both devices should have sufficient charge. Open the watch app, go to My Watch, then General, and tap Reset to begin. If activation lock appears, enter your Apple ID password now. This removes the lock and allows the watch to erase and restore. Once done, the watch will start erasing and return to the setup screen. Now you'll execute the core restore steps. Choose Erase Apple Watch content and settings and confirm. Keep the iPhone close so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain active. Interruptions slow the process. When the watch restarts, follow the pairing animation and choose either Restore from iCloud Backup to Recover settings or Set up as new if you want a clean start. Enter your Apple ID and device passcode when prompted to re-enable services and sync. Make sure backup's complete before disconnecting. Finish by letting apps and health data sync fully. Depending on backup size, this can take several hours, so keep both devices charged and on Wi-Fi. Once synced, customize settings like notifications and watch faces. If pairing fails, reboot the Apple Watch and iPhone and try pairing again. Also toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If activation lock still blocks restore, sign in to iCloud. Calm and remove the watch from your account. Then repeat the erase and pairing steps to complete the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.